Okay, so here's the installation. You can see the WeMos blinking away there. If you take a look at this board is actually, let's see if I can zoom in on this. So you see here, this board is a breadboard, solderable breadboard. Has wires, all the wires are connected on the back side, but basically has two transistors. So what I did is I've replaced the relay switch with these transistors. I'm only using one of the transistors right now. The wire actually runs to the connection on the garage door opener. So one side of it, of the transistor, and then the other side runs to a signal wire on the WeMo. The power, that's the power connector. There's power up at the ceiling there. That there is the thermometer, so it's measuring the temperature in the garage. Of course, I can put that anywhere. You can see that it's quite a long cable, and I just have it coiled up there. And that also then goes to the same board. So the board actually does excuse me, all the connections of all these wires that you see. One of the other wires is a wire which runs all the way along the ceiling here. And what that is that's for measuring whether or not, that's the ping sensor, measures whether or not the garage door is open. So basically, with the garage door closed, you can see that there's no obstruction straight to the floor. If the garage door is open at all, there's an obstruction, and it measures that distance and determines that the garage is open. And then what's really neat is I'm actually logging this information to PHP to a web server, and the web server is also tracking the temperature. I have another garage door, so there's another one over there, which I'm going to probably look to run a wire over there as well. And I'll be able to control all of that from this one little controller. So it's actually pretty slick. I'm really impressed with these little WeMos devices. This thing here has been running now almost probably 3 weeks, good 2 weeks anyways for sure. I may have taken it down to reprogram it, but essentially just running rock solid. I haven't had any issues, and we're going to try that out right now. So I have the excuse me, the app that's available on the website. Real simple app. It only is controlling one door, but it's just toggle. And we should see the door go up. There we go. So basically what that did is it sent a signal, the web app, or the Android app sent a web signal to the web server, and then the web server sent a signal to the WeMo, which triggered the transistor, which allowed the circuit to be closed, causing the signal to go to the garage door opener, which is the same as pushing the button that's over on the wall there. So basically those buttons on the wall are the two buttons for the two garage doors. So the same thing as pushing that button, and then that obviously makes the garage door go up, and we can see way over there is the ping sensor, which is right now obstructed by a garage door. So would be right above where I am right now. And also just me standing over here, I can feel the temperatures quite different from in the garage. We'll get the door, we'll toggle again. And I push the toggle button, we should get a signal. Did I not hit it? Hold on. Try that again, toggle. There we go. And so the next stage here would be to update the app, so that you can see that it actually has on the app. If I can zoom in on this, I actually have my GPS coordinates. So what I would like to do is actually have it so that it can actually figure out how far I am from my home. And then if the garage door is open, because the ping sensor would notice, or if the temperature changes drastically, then what would happen is it would send me a notification. So it's pretty cool, and I like I say, I'm really impressed with these little devices. It's just amazing what this thing can do, and it's barely scratching the surface of what I can add to this. I've got temperature, I've got controlling a garage door, I'm going to be controlling a secondary garage door, and I'll also have these ping sensors. Should be able to support 2 of those, no problem. Anyways, thanks for watching.